Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add video in Google Drive and how to share link of that video. So firstly we need to open our browser, and in the browser we need to type Google Drive. Then here on the first link we need to click in order to sign up with our Google Drive account. Now I have already signed up with my Google Drive account, so I don't know how to do that. But if you don't, just sign up with your account. Once you sign up, just click on new here in order to upload the video. Here we have the option for file upload, and once you click here, now we need to locate to the video which we want to share the link with. So the video I want to upload is this one right here, so I'll just double click on it, and yeah, here you can see the process of uploading the video is started, and yeah, it is successfully uploaded. So this is the video. Here we just need to click on these three little dots, then click on share and click on share here again. Now here you have this option, general access, which we need to change from restricted to anyone with the link. And also if you want to allow people to comment on your video and edit your video, you can just go with these options, but I just want people to view my video, so I'll just select it on viewer, then copy link and just click on done. Now we have the link of our video which we can just share anywhere else. Now if people open your link, then they can see the video as well as they can download it by clicking on the download button. And yeah, that's it. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.